Hey everyone, welcome to Aria Moore's Makeup Room where we learn and grow together. This is a peaceful environment where we give advice, share tips, and we just go with the flow. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a everyday makeup foundation look for the summer. This is mainly dedicated to all day wear products and things that you need to know to keep that makeup set all day long. All right, this is my face right now, guys. I am having a lot of skin issues. Face is breaking out. My summer skin is coming. It's a lot more drier, and we do have to deal with that. And yeah, we just gotta go with the flow. So we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. This is a matte primer. I really like this. We're gonna just apply it to our hands and apply it everywhere around the face and rub that thing in really good. Next, use that Lasting Fix from Maybelline. This is in shade Banana. I don't really think the shade really matters because this is going under all of my foundation. But what I do is just take me a nice little flat pad and just pat everything on. I try to avoid having clumps. Y'all. We are going to now use the Fit Me shade 360. This is a powder. And I'm going to be using that same sponge and going in and patting that all over my face as well. And just getting that solid foundation. This actually is going to also help your look become more matte if you're into like a matte finish. I'm wanting to try some different techniques moving forward in the near future, but that's not for this video. That's actually for other videos. Also, I am going to start getting my summer color here soon, so I do have to go into some more darker foundations very soon because summer is hitting, baby. But these steps that I'm using really works for summer, so regardless of the foundation shade that I choose to go towards moving forward, I will still do the same steps. So, but I'll do an updated video here soon for you guys. But yeah, everything is patted. Now we're going to use Fit Me as well. This is in the shade, I want to say 362. This is a liquid foundation. And I'm going to use my buffer brush. And I usually just pour it on. Sometimes I dap it on my face. It just depends on the mood. And we're going to get that circulated all over the face. We are going to make sure that we focus on not putting any foundation under the eyes because it's going to help with creasing when you do like the highlights and stuff. So that's something that I learned. Also, guys, I want to let you know that we are in the process of building our makeup room studio. As you can see, I have a new title for my channel, Aria Moore's Makeup Room. So we are getting this cute girly room together and I cannot wait to show you guys. A lot of the content on this channel will be changing very soon, and I just can't wait for all the new things for you guys. Y'all are going to love it. So yeah, just take your time, blend out that foundation and get it nice and good, nice and smooth. Look at my face. It's been breaking out. I hate when I change my face cleansing products because I go through this process where I just start breaking out really bad, and that's where I am. And then when I get my summer skin, girl, my shit be dry. Okay? Anyway, we really can't even ponder on that too long. We got to keep going and keep doing what we know. So moving on, we're gonna go into our Fit Me foundation and we're gonna brush that all over with our powder brush. This is the same shade that we put under that liquid foundation, you guys. So we're gonna go in. This is just going to add more color on top of this, and I really like this because right now, not having my correct shade for summer, it really helps re-darken that foundation that I put on, as well as giving it a matte finish and keeping everything lasting all day, which is the purpose of this video anyway, is to learn how we can keep our foundation on all day without it kind of like melting away. So yeah, I just take my time and I like to just blend as much as I feel like I need. And it really depends on your skin type. Like, I know in the summer I'm very sweaty, and I get sweaty around the nose area, which really causes a lot of problems. So yeah, guys, now we're gonna go into the Fit Me shade 40. Guys, we literally just did that. ignore that. So we're going to go into the Juvia's concealer. You guys already know what shades these are. This is in 10 and 16. We're going to start applying shade 10, just a nice little dab under the eyelids. We're not going into the crease of our eyelids, guys. Oh, not the eyelids. These are under eyes. Lord, it's been a long day. Every time I do my videos at nighttime, this is the results. I always mess up. And I don't be know what I'm talking about because I'll be exhausted, y'all. I'll be working all day. Then I come home and do these makeup tutorials for you guys. And then I had to edit. Yeah. But anyway, this is what we're looking like. I'm going to go in with the Morphe spray. Okay. And we're going to spray and then let that concealer sit for a little bit. So, yeah. Let's do that. Dance break. Dance break. Oh, get it, girl. Hey, that pink on my eyes, fire. Okay, fire. I love it. Anyway, let's go ahead and take our concealer brush and we're going to start blending. I decided to start on the chin today. I don't have a preference as to where I start, but for some reason I decided to start on my chin area. And we're just going to lightly dab and go around that chin and start to highlight, guys. I don't know why, but this seems to always be one of my favorite parts. Yeah, look at those pink eyes. Okay, y'all, I want to do story time. Like, let me know what you think. I really want to do a story time video where I don't even give makeup advice, where you guys just watch me do makeup and just do like story time. Let me know down in the comments if you think that's a good idea, because I have so many stories and I be wanting to tell people some of the things that I'll be like going through, and I think story time would be so much freaking fun. So I'm going under the eyes, and one thing that I did learn recently is to try to focus on creating a triangle. And I will say that using a brush, for some reason for me, it's a little bit more difficult doing that triangle method. But we are learning and adjusting, because I really like using the concealer brush versus using the sponge. But honestly, I think I need to do a video where I do half my face using sponges only and then do the other half using brushes only. And then maybe I can determine what works better for me, because really it all boils down to your skin type, and we all have different skin types. So that is definitely something for me to do in the near future. I love when I think of new video ideas. Also, guys, if you made it this far and you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Now, I'm just going in and cleaning up the edges. That's all I'm doing right here in this clip. It's just cleaning up the edges, making sure everything is nice and blended as best as I can do, because you know what I'm saying? We're learning. I'm going into the Fit Me in the shade 35. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Oh, this is a loose setting powder. I was literally thinking, I was like, did I use this already? But no, guys, we're going to take our sponge and dab it on our arm. I do it a couple times because I like to get those clumps away. And we're going to use this under the eyes. Remember, this is a loose setting powder. And we're just going to pat and get everything nice and smooth. This is going to keep my eyelids from creasing really bad, as well as keeping everything from running throughout the day. So this is definitely perfect. One thing I will say, if you can, use a smaller amount. Like, I definitely use too much, and you can see me trying to correct that by like just keep patting, and you don't want to overuse this product, and I definitely did. But that's a part of this makeup journey and being in this peaceful environment where you can learn from your mistakes. So I'm really happy that I did make that mistake on the camera. That way you guys can kind of know, but we look good. All right, so now we are going to go back into that first powder, and I'm just going to go over my face and try to get some of this stuff blended, because like I said, I use too much. So I'm just trying to correct everything while still keeping those areas highlighted, because it's very important that those areas remain highlighted throughout this entire process. So that's what you guys are going to see me doing, taking it on my forehead, not touching the highlighted areas completely, but doing the edges, guys. So yes, sir. Now we're going to go into that Lasting Fix shade Banana again. And this is going to help brighten my under eye area again. And yeah, I'm thinking about using Finny. She has a lavender that I'm dying to get, and I think I'm going to be getting that here soon. I'm going on vacation, so I'm trying not to really shop for any products right this second. But once we complete our makeup room, we're going to be like trying so many products, guys. Like, you're gonna love it. Like, okay, if you got an idea as far as a product that you want me to try, do leave it down in the comments down below, because I will be shopping within the next couple of weeks for a bunch of stuff, and I want to make sure that I have what you guys want. So we're gonna do the same thing on that other eye. Yes, highlight, bitch. Anyway, I'm still loving this pink. I'm loving this pink. I love highlighting my face. I just feel like I'm alive when I highlight. Like, I be looking dead sometimes. Anyway, let's go into that Juvia's palette and start to contour and add some color to this face. We got to go in and snatch that nose first. Yes, snatch that nose, you guys. If you want to know how to contour your nose, there's a video already up on this channel that focuses strictly on how I contour my nose using bronzer from Juvia's Place. This is in the shade dark. So in case you guys are wondering, because this is kind of going pretty fast. And yeah, but that video is up for you guys if you want to kind of go into more detail as far as how I do that. And it's not a long video, so you'll be able to watch that pretty quickly. And don't forget to like it and like this video as well. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Throwing some heat. Okay, so we're going to go back into that highlighted shade that we used. And I'm just going to do a reverse contour real quick. Like, I don't even do this all the time, but today I decided to do it. One size is higher than the other, guys, and I was just like, oh my gosh, and I just decided to not even fix it. So anyway, I'm going back into that powder again. Yes, guys, I'm going into it again, and we're gonna just go ahead and start brushing that off. You can let it kind of bake if you want to. I just didn't feel like that was needed for my face. I'm not really a reverse contour person. I do want to get more into that in the near future, but as of right now, I'm just trying to perfect the skills that I have now before diving into the more dramatic stuff. But I really feel like we're making progress, and I'm so happy. If you've been on this channel since day one, when I started the makeup tutorial journey, you will notice so much growth, guys. And I'm just proud, because that's what this is about. It's about learning and just coming together and having a good time and just, you know, hanging out, because your girl ain't got no friends, okay? Ain't got no friends. And technically, I really don't want none. You horse is fake. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and move on to Watch Me Blush. I actually got this off of Amazon, and this brush is super old, but we're going to keep it moving. I'm going to use red. I like to dap it on my cheeks, and then I like to bring it over into my under eye area to kind of throw in a little bit of color. I like to lightly pat it. I don't like to overdo it on the blush. And honestly, I don't always use the blush either. So I decided to add this blush because I had the pink eyes, and it was just like, okay, if we're going to be girly, we might as well just go ahead and be girly. And in case you didn't notice, your girl got lip gloss on. Like, my lips was dry. Like, I just went ahead and threw some lip gloss on and then just jumped right back in front of the camera. Okay, moving on. We are just going to go in from that blush palette. There's a shade that is gold, and I'm actually using it to highlight my nose and the upper lip. You can also put this on your cheek as well, but I just felt like this is the spot that I wanted on, so I just kind of left it right there. And I like to just move on because I'm literally about to wash this off. So now it's time to go ahead and set with that Morphe again. We're going to spray her down really good. Yes, and we are going to have all day wear with this makeup, guys. Okay, I already noticed some things that I need to fix, but that's okay. Check out the final look, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, turn up, girl, because you got to turn up. I always love when I get finished. But anyway, check me out on social media. I have Instagram. Check that out in the description box. Subscribe. And guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.